Add coarse salt to fabric softener and prepare to be absolutely amazed. I couldn't believe it when I first discovered this combination. These two simple household items can completely transform your cleaning routine and replace multiple expensive products you're currently buying. Let's dive right in. Grab a large mixing bowl and set it on your counter. Pour in 2 generous capfuls of fabric softener. Choose whatever scent makes you happy. Comment below with your city. I love seeing where everyone's watching from. Next up, reach for your dish soap. Measure out 1 full cup, approximately 7 ounces. This ingredient brings serious power to our mixture. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of salt, just regular table salt from your kitchen. If you have Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, those work beautifully too. Time for the game changer. White vinegar. Carefully measure 7 ounces and pour it straight into your bowl. Vinegar is hands down one of the most underestimated cleaning heroes. Would you try this at home? Comment yes or no. Take your spoon and stir everything together slowly and deliberately. Keep mixing until you achieve a smooth, unified liquid. Right now, I know you're curious about what we're actually making here. Hold that thought, because the answer is going to surprise you. And trust me, you'll want to make this again and again. Once your mixture is perfectly blended, let's make it user-friendly. Find an empty container with a secure cap. I love repurposing old dish soap bottles. They're ideal for dispensing just the right amount. Position a funnel at the opening and carefully transfer your mixture inside. Fill it nearly to the brim, but leave just a bit of space so you can shake it thoroughly before every use. Seal it up tight and give it several vigorous shakes. Perfect. Your homemade solution is officially complete and ready to perform. But for what exactly? Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Here comes the big moment. This mixture is an extraordinarily powerful bathroom cleaner. And not just any cleaner, this is the solution that tackles the toughest bathroom challenges. Bathrooms collect moisture, bacteria, soap scum, and persistent odors faster than any other room. Even with regular cleaning, funky smells creep back, grime clings stubbornly, and germs hide in every corner. Most store-bought products simply cover up problems temporarily, but this recipe actually eliminates them completely. Apply this mixture generously to your sink, faucets, shower tiles, and countertops. Scrub gently, and watch years of buildup disappear like magic. Gather these 4 simple ingredients today and experience the incredible difference for yourself. Come back and tell me your results. I genuinely want to hear how much you love this. If this trick blew your mind, smash that like button, leave a comment below, and share this with anyone who deserves a fresher, cleaner bathroom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more amazing tricks.